Okay, there is no doubt that the credit card has revolutionized purchasing for better and for worse. Now let's move on to Chapter 2, Benefits of Using Credit Cards. 1. Financial protection. First off, as Frank Abagnale, the guy Leonardo DiCaprio played in the movie Catch Me If You Can, points out that using a credit card is the safest form of payment on the face of the earth because you are not using your own money, but the bank's, and the bank will always protect its money. If you get defrauded or your credit card gets skimmed, cloned, or stolen, and purchases are made without your permission, your bank will typically have several layers of protection. This ranges from freezing your credit card down to writing off fraudulent charges because you, as the cardholder, is protected under the Zero Liability Fraud Protection Policy. We'll talk more about this on a later episode. Okay. 2. Building credit score. Using and consistently paying off your credit card bills is a surefire way of building your credit score. When you have a good credit score, you will be seen as creditworthy by lenders such as banks, credit card companies, and landlords. You will have access to more attractive credit card offers with lower APRs, have higher chances of loan approvals at lower interest rates, have lower auto or homeowners insurance premiums, and even get easier approval for rentals and housing. Okay, rewards points and cashback. To incentivize frequent use, banks often have built-in purchase rewards or cashback systems. This is a marketing strategy to gamify credit card use. Your bank typically has partnerships with or may even own other businesses such as supermarket chains, airline companies, or gyms. So, when you use your credit card to purchase goods and services from these partner brands, you will be entitled to reward points or cashback that you can accumulate to redeem rewards, goods, cashback, or services. Look into your credit card's partnerships with other stores and brands, as some rewards are really good and can be quite useful, like airline miles or a grocery store discount.